What's up? What's good mga lods? Good morning, good evening, good afternoon sa inyo lahat dyan. Si Rashard tulog pa. Medyo matagal-tagal tayo hindi nakapag-post dito sa YouTube. And now, I came back with a new one. So, medyo special yung araw na to ngayon. And kasi ngayon darating yung mother-in-law and father-in-law ko dito. Yeah, you heard it right. They are coming here to the US. And that's why it's special. And mamaya namin sila susunduin. So, yeah. Update ko kayo for now. Prepare ko lang muna yung breakfast ni Richard kasi may pasok siya sa school. So, yeah. This is our vlog for today. I came back for this new one and update ko kayo mamaya. Later! So, yun. Yun lang daw kakainin niya. Cereal. So, okay. Mas madali. And, yeah. As I told you, right? Susunduin namin sila. Ngayon yung dating nila. And I mean, mamayang gabi, 7:35 yata yung arrival. As per the itinerary. So, susunduin namin sila mamaya sa O'Hare International Airport. Down there, Chicago. So, siguro alis na lang kami dito ng mga 6 or before 6. At least meron kaming allowance na oras. Okay naman yung parking doon. Madali lang naman din. So, yeah, excited yung mga bata. Excited din kami. Lalo na si Mrs. Makikita niya ulit yung parents niya. And kaya lang makipasok si Mrs. ngayon. Night shift siya. May mamaya. So, bukas pa talaga sila makikita, basically. Yeah, yun lang muna yung update. Medyo umaga pa dito, 8 pa lang, 8 AM. Medyo kagigising-gising lang din kami. So, yeah, mamaya ulit.
We're ready to roll. Siya rin, ready to pasok. May duty yan. So, hindi makakasama sa pagsundo. This one is just eating his dinner. Kakain ulit mamaya yan. That one is doing her TikTok. And me, I'm also eating my snack.
Can I have my coffee short?
And then later, we're ready to roll and pick Omi and Odie up to the airport. So, later. Bye, me.
Bye. Enjoy, guys.
See you later.
See you later. Bye. Bye.
Yeah, we're ready. Oh, you made that? What is in there? Show me. Welcome to the USA, Omi and Audie. Yeah. USA. Where's your flag? You don't have a flag.
Is that F?
Go get your flag. Go get the flag.
Where is the flag?
Yeah. Give that to Omi later.
You're instinct.
All right, we're ready. We're about to go. Go. Ready. Sundo na tayo. Sundo. O'Hare International Airport in Chicago is like what? An hour and 45 minutes. Let's go.
Take exit 259A onto I-94 West and I-80 West toward Chicago.
We're 24 minutes away to O'Hare International Airport. Lapit na. Nag-ano na daw nag-land na yung aeroplano nila. Arrive na sila. So, hintay na lang na kami. Pero siguro hindi pa nakakababa yun. Magta-taxi pa yung itataxi pa yung aeroplano tapos. Yan, sakto lang yung dating natin. Drop. Alright, downtown Chicago na kami. Lapit na to, konti na lang. Finally here.
Board International Terminal 5.
Finally, we're here at the parking. Punta na kami sa arrival. Nandiyan na daw sila Omi and nakapila na sila sa immigration. So, yeah, lapit na. Let's go. Susundo. Arrival. Arrival. O'Hare International. Arrivals. Nasaan yung airline nila? Ava Air from Taipei. Arrive 7:35. Let's go. We're here. We're looking for the Terminal 5. 1, 2, and 3. Huh? Kausap nila sila sila Omi. Hinihintay na lang namin dito sa labas. Show Omi, where's Omi? Where's Omi? Ayan si Omi, oh. Tagal lumabas eh. Shard. Show me Shard. Waiting. Show Shard.
Why can't you get herself? What?
Saw them. There you go. Yan na. De, kamusta?
Okay.
Kamu nangyari sa bagay. Sabi ko na, hindi kasi pinano. Heart, bless.
Dito. Eh sa atin nga.
Ate.
Balik puro pagkain.
Okay.
Sama-sama kayo dyan. Shard, why are you the one holding the flag? Give to Omi. Give to Omi. Or Odi. Shard! Give. Let's go! They arrived! Sila! Oh, let's go! To the elevator!
Hello.
Shard, did you press?
Ang pogi-pogi. Ganda ni Kiss. Tignan mo si Kiss, ang ganda-ganda, oh. Parang pumayat. No.
Tama, pati siya, sumusundo. Oh. Sino kaya sundo nito ni Doggy Dog? Here, from here. From here, come here. Alright! Alright! Diretso muna kami kay Balin. Naka-duty siya eh, so pinuntahan namin siya bago kami umuwi. Ayun, tulog na.
Anong oras ang pasok yan?
Mapon pa yan.
Hindi kayo nahirapan.
Dinunta muna namin yan, si nurse, duty siya eh. Dumiretso kami dito sa ano niya, trabaho niya.
May umiiyak.
Malamig.
Sarado na yung
Gabi na. Yan, nagkita sila.
Napasukan mo.
Kita na.
part-time.
Kita na sila. Yan, nagkita na sila. Diretso uwi na kami. So, bukas na lang ulit. Next time ulit. Dito ko muna tatapusin itong video natin mga lods. Stay safe. God bless. Peace.